First off, the overall dimensions. Left to right, we have a length of 60¼ inches, a depth of 29½ inches, height with wheels, we have 35½ inches tall, minus the wheels, we have 29½ inches tall. Left-right swing doors. Interior dimensions include 55½ inches in length by 18½ inches in depth, and the height standing at 24¼ inches tall. 2 adjustable shelves, each shelf measuring 27¼ inches in length by 17 inches in depth. Coming to the right will be the analog thermometer, and to the left, EDTL certification sticker. Coming to the back will be the temperature control along with the 110 and 120 voltage. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this product.